Now, do I have enough internet here to look up on POTA map where I'm at? I get a hotspot too I can try. No service available.
Hi, my name's Mike. I'm a full-time traveler and ham radio operator. I activate amazing parks all over the United States. Join the adventure and see what's next.
Buckle your seatbelt, Dorothy.
The traveler has come.
Because Kansas is going bye-bye.
It's a huge, beastly, bulging man. Plates were from Kansas.
We are still on our way back to Kansas from Hamvention in Xenia, Ohio. Today we're driving from Mammoth Cave into southern Missouri, stopping to POTA along the way. Wouldn't you know it, my route just happens to take me by a 3-fer location I had researched previously. Unfortunately, my research only contained a set of coordinates and didn't list the parks included in the 3-fer.
Hello, radio friends. We are at the intersection of this road, which is the Trail of Tears, and this trail, which is the Ozark State Trail. And I think we're either in the Mark Twain National Forest or a wilderness area close to Ren. I don't think it's both. I think I have one of those, but I'm not sure. Research will tell. But at the very least, we have 2 trails. We're gonna operate inside. I just wanted to get out and shoot some video while we still have some daylight. I'm gonna mag mount the whip to the roof. The radio's all set up inside because I just activated this morning at Mammoth Cave. It's still all set up. We are ready to go. We're gonna run some voice from right here and get at least 2, but I think a 3rd. Let's see what happens. I do not trust my Nano VNA right now, so we're gonna tune it by ear. I'm just gonna turn on the radio and we're gonna go by noise and go to the spot that gives us the most noise. A little higher yet. A little higher yet. Oh, I think I went back down. Okay, that's what that is. Infinite! Up some. That's a little better. All right, that's tolerable. Below 3. That's up again, okay? It's right at 3. Go down a couple coils. Bingo, that's it. We got it. That's some good practice right there. Boom! Got about 1.5. Let's go inside. Now, do I have enough internet here to look up on POTA map where I'm at? Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Ooh, that's not good. I got a hotspot too I can try. No service available. Well, now it says it's got 5 bars, but low battery. Which is it? It seems like no service available. So World Radio League has a pretty good park function. I just type in the name of the park, and it'll give me a number. New POTA activation. Name of the park, Trail of Tears. Trail of Tears, Missouri, U.S. Bang. Okay, and then I got Ozark. Something or other. Lake of the Ozarks. Ozark Folk Center, Highlands Scenic Byway. Ozark Highlands Trail. Is it Ozark Highlands Trail? That sounds right. Ozark Trail Obelisk Historic Site. No. Okay, so that's the only one that's a trail. So it's got to be the Ozark Highlands Trail. It says Arkansas, though. Maybe it's multi-state and Arkansas just shows up first. Let's try it. I had something pulled up on here. Something just hit my antenna. Interesting. It's got to be it. Ozark. Bats hitting my antenna? Strange. Something is hitting my antenna. Focus! Focus! I thought it was something state trail. Lake of the Ozarks, Ozark Folk Center, Ozark Highlands, Scenic Byway, Ozark Hills State Nature Preserve, Ozark Lake, Ozark National Forest, Ozark Plateau National Wildlife Management, Ozark Trail Obelisk Historic Site. It's not that one. Okay, it's got to be that one. 10508. All right, we'll try on 7217. KE0VIM. Is this frequency in use? Kilo Echo 0 Victor India Mike. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Really low SWR. I nailed it. Kilo Echo 0 Victor India Mike. Is this frequency in use? Is this frequency in use? Okay, I think we're going to have to go to an old Sodamate spot here. Location. We're in Missouri. Park number. Let's go with the Trail of Tears, which is 1790. Gonna be, let's see, 7.178 to start with for my frequency. .217. That is the Trail of Tears. Trail of Tears State Park. That's not right. That's not right. Let's go back to that. Was there more than one Trail of Tears? Oh boy. It just says Trail of Tears, Missouri, Trail of Tears, Illinois, Trail of Tears, U.S. It's got to be that one. Okay, let's try that. 3791. Because the state park, that's got to be something different. Yeah, National Trail of Tears Historic Trail. It did update that, so that's good. 4, 3, 2, 1. CQ, Parks on the Air, Kilo Echo 0, Victor, India Mike from US 3791, Trail of Tears National Historic Trail in the state of Missouri. CQ, Parks on the Air, Kilo Echo 0, Victor, India Mike.
Alpha uniform.
The Alpha uniform again, please.
Yeah, Alpha Echo 5, Alpha uniform.
Alpha Echo 5, Alpha Uniform. Got you about a 5 and 5 here to, I'm actually in two parks. It's the Trail of Tears, which is 3971, and US 10508, which is, should be an Ozark Trail. It's, what was the wording on that exactly? Ozark Highlands Trail, something like that. But I've got you 5 and 5 in both parks, Roger. I'm in southeastern part of the state. I'm either in or right next to Mark Twain National Forest. I've got to research that one.
All right, very good deal. Well, you're about a 5.7 here, 5.7 here. So I'll let you get to it. Thanks for the activation and have a good evening out there, 73.
All right, 7-3, I appreciate that. And if I could have somebody verify that park number, US 10508, and just make sure it's in the state of Missouri for me. I don't have internet up here, and I'm not totally certain I got the right number, but I think that's it. Kilo Echo 0, Victor, India, Mike, Parks on the Air.
Kilo Romeo 4.
I got the Kilo Romeo 4 and then you faded. Try again.
Kilo Romeo 4, India, Hotel, Quebec.
Okay, got you that time. Kilo Romeo 4, India, Hotel, Quebec. You're 5 and 7 to US 10508 and US 3791. Roger. Okay, you dropped a little bit, but I got the 5-9 in Georgia. Thanks for hunting tonight, 7-3. Kilo Echo 0, Victor, India, Mike, Parks on the air.
Kilo 9, Oscar Bravo.
Kilo 9, Oscar Bravo. Got you 5 and 9 to my 2 trails here in Missouri. Roger.
Roger, Roger. You're also 5-9 in Michigan tonight. Thank you.
Thank you. 7-3, Kilo Echo 0, Victor, India, Mike, Parks on the air.
Kilo Romeo 4, India, Whiskey Bravo.
The India Whiskey Bravo again, please.
USL, Kilo Romeo 4, India, Whiskey Bravo.
Okay, Kilo Romeo 4, India Whiskey Bravo. Got you 5 and 7 to my 2 trails in Missouri. Roger.
Roger, you're 5-7 here in Golf Alpha, Georgia. Thank you so much. 7-3.
Thanks for hunting tonight. 7-3, Kilo Echo 0, Victor, India, Mike, Parks on the air.
Kilo Bravo.
I got the Kilo Bravo 2 and then you faded. Try again.
Uniform X-Ray Bravo.
Okay, Kilo Bravo 2, Uniform X-Ray Bravo. I'll give you a 4 and 7. 4 and 7 to my park in Missouri. Back to you.
Kilo Bravo 2, Uniform X-Ray Bravo here. Thank you very much for the confirmation. You are my first official HF contact.
Say that again. I'm the first what?
You are my first HF contact.
No kidding. First HF contact. That's amazing. Wow. Thanks for telling me that. I tell you what, send me an email. My email's good on QRZ. Let's do a QSL or something for that. That's pretty cool. Roger.
Yeah, Roger, I will look you up. I'm going to drop you in my log right now. I'm about a 3 for understandability over here. High noise floor out of Minnesota.
Yeah, copy that. I got a lot of storms just north of me. I know. I'm traveling back from Hanvention today and had to try and really stay south to stay out of the weather. So I know I got a lot of lightning here between us, and I'm getting a lot of it too. But hey, appreciate that report from Minnesota, and congrats on the first HF contact. I'm honored to be the one, buddy. Let's get something exchanged there. Thanks for the contact. Good luck. Have fun in POTA, buddy. 7-3.
Thank you very much. 73 to you as well. 82 UXP.
Kilo Echo 0, Victor, India, Mike, Parks on the air. How cool is that? I get excited when someone tells me I'm the first something. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Now I got to make QSL cards.
Hey, Michael, what's that?
Well, the second park, I think, is US 10508. I believe that's Ozark Highlands Trail. I know there is an Ozark Trail in POTA that crosses right here, and that's the only one I could find, but I'm not entirely certain that's the right number. Could you confirm that for me, that it's in the state of Missouri?
Okay, I'm looking, and it's in Kansas. Arkansas.
Does it have a plus designation after that, like +2 or +3 or anything like that?
Yeah, it says Ozark Highlands Trail National Historic.
But it says Arkansas only? Okay, I'll fully research that when I get back. I know, I am certain that I have US 3791
And I think I have another trail, and I think I have another forest or wilderness area on top of that. But I'm just traveling through, and I've got no service up here, so I've just got no way of confirming it. But the road is marked as Trail of Tears, so I know I got that. Roger.
Okay, well, I'll let that go, and you can do your research on it. All right, have a good one.
All right, thank you. Appreciate your patience with me. Have a good one. 7-3. Kilo Echo 0, Victor India Mike. Last call. Park's on the air.
Kilo 7, Mike Foxtrot.
Okay, I think I missed a character there. I got Kilo 7, Mike Foxtrot. Try again, please.
Kilo 7, Mike Juliet Foxtrot.
Okay, I definitely missed a character. I'm not sure. I'm still not sure what it was. I got Mike question mark Foxtrot.
Juliet. Mike Juliet Foxtrot.
Okay, gotcha nice and clear that time. It's just a matter of noise. You came up to a 5 and 9 on that transmission. It was nice and clear, 5 and 9, right between the static crashes there to my park in Missouri. Back to you.
Thank you. You're 5-6 in Utah.
I'll take that 5 and 6 to the Beehive State. Thanks for hunting me down. Thanks for your patience. 7-3.
7-3.
Okay, so that sucks being that discombobulated about what parks I'm in, but that was just the situation. So I will have to look that up. I remember it even being a little discombobulated researching it, because it's like I found it, and then the second time I couldn't find the other trail, and then the third time I found it again. On the desktop app, on this little screen, I don't necessarily get all the information. Maybe I get some internet on my better machine, and I can actually screen record it, and we'll figure out where the heck I am. See you in a bit. Hey folks, it's the next day. By the time I got to my driving destination, it was midnight, and I was beat. And went straight to sleep and immediately slept for 3 hours in the car. And then got up about 3 in the morning and started doing my research. And found out that I was, in fact, in a threefer. I had Mark Twain National Forest, and I had the Trail of Tears National Historic Trail, and the third one that I wasn't sure about was the Ozark State Trail. And I'll include annotations for park numbers and maps and information and stuff like that. But it did end up being a threefer, thank goodness. My preliminary research held up. So that's a wrap from Mark Twain National Forest. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm Mike, Kilo Echo 0, Victor India Mike, in case you haven't heard.
POTA everywhere, man. POTA everywhere, man. Craters of the moon, man. Salmon, Brook Lake,